Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So first thing is, let's put these in a pairing mode. Buds are in the case. Let me open this up. Now I know it's in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, okay? I get a solid blue light here, and then the lights are going to turn off for myself. I don't get no blue blinking light. The reason is because I'm connected to a different device. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Now, in order for me to manually put this in pairing mode, I have to grab one of the buds. It doesn't matter if it's the left or right. I'm going to pull it out of the case, and I'm going to tap once on here, and then tap and press and hold. So tap, tap and hold. All right, so I'm going to pull this out, tap, tap and hold. Now just keep holding it for like 10 seconds or so, or until both is blinking blue. There we go. Sometimes I got to do it twice. Anyway, they're both blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Android phone. You want to go to your settings. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to connections on this phone here, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So tap on Bluetooth. And now see that spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode, and it'll show up down here under available devices. It's still in pairing mode, and it did find the JBL Tune Buds 2. Let's tap that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request. Tap on pair, and voila, we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.